Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to mint Solana tokens. First, ensure you understand the Solana blockchain and its token standards. Next, set up your development environment by installing the Solana command line interface. Finally, fund your Solana wallet with enough SOL to cover transaction fees. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth token creation process. Now, let's create your token. You'll use the Solana CLI to issue the Create Token command. During this step, you'll define the token's total supply and decide on its decimal places, which affects divisibility. Don't forget to specify a unique name and symbol for your token. These are essential for its identity on the blockchain. With your token created, it's time to mint and distribute. You'll mint the initial supply of tokens directly to your designated Solana wallet address. From there, you can easily distribute these tokens to other addresses as needed. Also, consider setting a freeze authority. This allows you to freeze token accounts if necessary, offering more control over your token's lifecycle. Finally, let's look at advanced features and best practices. You can enhance your token by implementing a metadata program, adding rich details like a logo and description. Explore options for burning tokens to reduce supply or freezing specific token accounts. Most importantly, always secure your private keys and seed phrases. They are the gateway to your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.